Okay, let's talk about the game plan for LKCO for today because it's ready to jump. The rocket is ready fueling. So we're gonna go through the chart and see what's going on for today price for Friday. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Look with me closely, guys. We closed yesterday actually we closed around this technical area. As I told you guys, we gonna see a jump from this level because now we bounce from our support around the $1.63, and now guess what's happened is testing our price precisely, guys. Look at this triangle, it's really beautiful. Look at it. We tested this price so many times here and here. Look with me, here and here, and now this is the third time. So either we gonna bounce from it or we gonna get rejected again. So hopefully we don't get rejected the third time, because if we get rejected we're gonna see this play through for LKCO. Hopefully we don't see it because we got already the momentum with us. Because we bounce from this level right now. This is perfect bounce and big momentum, and that's why it take us here. By tomorrow we're gonna see the price hopefully go above this level, our ascending line, and from there we're gonna see our price go first test the $1.95, and we get a bit of rejection here, then we're gonna see the $2.13. If we saw the $2.13 this time, the big squeeze gonna happen here, guys, and we're gonna see all-time high for LKCO for the price. Maybe we even see the $4. So this is crazy. Now what we see by tomorrow, if we got rejected, always have the probability, guys. We don't have wishful thinking here. If we got rejected, even a candle like this, and even for 4 hours, because this will give us more confirmation for the price. So look with me, even we got this really beautiful green candle and overcome this support, we might get rejected here and go back again to test this level at $1.64, and we hold. We're gonna see a test and go from this side, and this is still possibility. If we got rejected, it's not a perfect like breakout. If that happen, as it will be sign of weakness, but the perfect scenario, as I told you, if we bounce by tomorrow without rejection above this level, and even the pre-market will tell us by tomorrow if we open the market around the $1.80, and this will be explosion for price for LKCO. So watch out for this price, guys. And any rejection, as I told you here, we're gonna see the price go down. First hold around the $1.64. If we got rejected, we're gonna see a way down, long way down until the $1.45 here, and we see a hold up again. So be careful, and this is the game plan for Friday, because the Friday is the most important trading session for us, because at Friday a lot of people just close their position and they don't want to hold through the weekend because there's a volatility and news happening during the weekend. So that's why a lot of swing trader, a lot short put options people, actually hedge fund manager, they just close the at Friday. That's why we see a lot of volatility and the price will go down. Even we see a big price jump at Thursday. So that's what we're gonna see usually in the market. So always have the probability that will go. So put it in your plan so you never be paralyzed and you never execute your strategy. Here at my channel, as I told you, no emotion, guys. We try to be robots. It's not good to say stay with no emotion, but in trading you have to cut your emotion. Whatever things happen in your life, you just cut it. When you go in trading, is a war, guys. It's a big war happening inside the market. So you're actually fighting against like hedge fund manager, people actually trading for years, and they actually trading with heavy volume of trading. So never play with this. It's really risky, guys. So as I told you, put your plan, put your numbers, and let's get ready to hunt. See you guys in the next update. and maybe I'll see you in the Mars moon. See you guys, and hopefully you have a nice weekend. See you guys.